Are you a salaried employee with capital gains more than 1.25 lakh, or do you have an income from crypto US stock market? Then watch this video till the end to understand how to file ITR 2. This year, there is one very important change regarding capital gains. So, until last year, if you had any capital gains, you were required to file ITR 2. But starting this year, you can file ITR 1 if you have earned up to 1.25 lakh rupees in long-term capital gains, as long as you don't have any capital losses to carry forward. I know, this might sound super confusing, but worry not. On ClearTax, we auto-select the correct ITR form for you. And not just that, filing ITR at ClearTax is incredibly easy and efficient. All you need to do is link your PAN, upload your Form 16 and get your taxes filed in less than 3 minutes. Now, let's understand how to file ITR 2 on ClearTax. Firstly, log into your ClearTax account, provide your PAN card details to pre-fill all your details. Pre-fill is a process by which ClearTax automatically fills in 95% of your details available with the Income Tax Department. By the way, if you're a salaried employee, you can also upload Form 16 to fetch your entire salary details. If you're a salaried and switch jobs, you can upload multiple Form 16 as well. After uploading the Form 16, click on Continue and go to the Income Sources where you can see details like your salary already autofilled. If you want to add any details manually, you can do that as well. If you have an interest income that you may have earned in your savings bank account or from your fixed deposit or any sources like PPF, then you'll be able to see it being autofilled already. You also have an option to add the details manually. Now, if you have invested in stocks or mutual funds and have sold them last year, all you got to do is navigate to the Gains from Stocks, Mutual Funds and FNO section and click on Add Details. After this, just go to the Stocks and Mutual Funds section where you can see a list of all the major stock market brokers. Here, simply click on the broker platform in which you have invested or traded. You can either directly import your files or upload your broker statement. After your successful authentication, ClearTax will automatically fetch reports to fill in the details of your capital gains and calculate the correct tax liability in seconds. If you're someone who trades or invests in crypto, filing your taxes is super easy. All you have to do is simply go to the Income Sources section, scroll down, navigate to the Crypto Income and click on Add Details. Then, select the crypto platform from the list of all the platforms, after which ClearTax will automatically sync your profile. Now, just enter your nickname of your choice and upload your files for each transaction year one by one. ClearTax will then automatically calculate your tax liability from your crypto or virtual digital asset earnings. To know how to do this process for your respective broker, kindly click on the link in the description to watch the tutorial videos. If you have invested in the foreign stocks like US stock market, kindly go to the foreign assets or US stock section under the capital gains section where you can import data directly from your broker, or you can use our Excel templates in case your broker is not mentioned. You can watch a video where we have explained the entire process in detail. The link is in the description. Now, it's time to claim all the deductions. If you have declared your investment to your employer, then most of your data would be pre-filled here. You can review these details and add other deductions detail that may be missing. After this, just click on the Go to Next where you can see a tax summary. Here, you can see details about your income, deduction, investment and ITR form. In case you have missed claiming any deduction, our smart nudges will suggest how you can save more taxes. Plus, we help you select the best tax regime to ensure maximum tax savings. Once you are done reviewing all your details, you can click on the File Tax button. Post e-filing, you can navigate further to e-verification and complete the verification process. So friends, that's how easy it is to file ITR 2 on ClearTax. By the way, not only tax filing, you can ask any tax query with the ClearTax AI, be it a query on tax saving or tax planning. It's like having your personal tax assistant. So, what are you waiting for? Visit cleartax.in and file your taxes now.